Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to continue with the same lesson HCF and LCM, and we are going to start with practice set 14 and continue with question number 5. Okay. So the question 5 is reduce the fractions to the lowest terms. So they have given you some fractions. You have to convert them or you have to bring them to lowest term. Okay. Now here the fraction which I have selected is 437 divided by 551. Total 3 sums are given. Out of that I am solving one for you. Remaining 2 you can solve on your own. Okay. Because many sums I have solved in the previous exam practice set. Okay. So now just pay attention here what you are going to do. Listen carefully. If you listen carefully, surely you are going to understand. So the numbers given are 4337 upon 551. From this, which is the greatest number? Correct, 551. So greatest number you are going to take inside as a dividend. And the smaller number you are going to write outside as a divisor. So now I am writing here the smaller number, that is 437 and 551 inside. So now we are going to say 437 stable. So 437 ones is 437. 437 twos means double of it. 7 twos are 14, 2 threes are 6 plus 1 7. 4 twos are 8. So the double is 874. So we want 551 or smaller number than this. So where we are getting that here, that is 437. Ones are 437. Now how to write? This is a new method. Here you are going to do one more bracket. There you are going to write, here you are going to write 437. Ones are 437. So I am writing here, see. Now after writing we are going to do the subtraction. So do the subtraction. 5 will cut, 4 will remain here 11. 11 minus 7, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. So the new remainder what we have got here, that is 114. Okay. Now 114 we are going to consider as divisor. An earlier divisor means the earlier number which is outside, we are going to take it inside now. Okay. So see here, I am going to expand this line further and do like this. So 437 now I will write inside. Now which table should I say? Correct. So now we are going to say 114 table. 114 ones are 114. 114 twos are is double of that is 4 twos are 8, 2 and 2. 228. We want 437 or we want smaller number than 437. Okay. So now we will solve further again. Multiply 114. 3s are 3 4s are 21. 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 3 1s are 3. 342. Next 114 4s are 4 4s are 16. 1. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. 4 1s are 4. So we got 456, which is greater than 437. Then which is a smaller number than 437 and close to it 114, 228, 347. These all numbers are smaller than 437. Yes, but the closest smaller number is 342. So here we are going to write 114 3s are 342. Now we will carry out subtraction. Okay. 7 minus 2, 5. 4 we will borrow from here. It will remain 3. 1 we will write here. 13 minus 4, 9 and 0. So now we have got the new remainder, that is 95. Yeah. So now 95 will keep on its place. And before 95, which number is outside? If you will see, 114 is outside. Yes, 95 we will keep here. And now 114 we are going to take outside. So see how we are going to write now? 114 here. Did you understand? So now what we are going to do? Now we are going to say 95 table, okay? And in 95 table, we are going to search 114. So let's see whether we are getting this 114 in 95 table. I'll write 95 table here, okay? So see, 95, 1s are 95. 95, 2s are, 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18, plus 1 90. So 190 we are getting, which is greater than 114. So we have to use 95 ones are. Okay. So we'll write here 95 ones are 95 minus 1 you will cancel 0. You will give to 4, it becomes 14. 14 minus 5, 9. Yes. So we'll write here 9. This 0 you will cancel. 1 you will take, it will remain 0. And side by 0 you will give 1, it becomes 10. 10 minus 9, 1. So now the new number is 19. Further we are going to solve till we get remainder 0. Now who will go inside? Correct, 95 will go inside. Now you all know 19 table. Yes or no? You can easily say 9 5 95 minus 0 and 0. So we have got the remainder 0, means we have to stop here. Therefore, what will be the HCF in this sum? Correct, 19 will be the HCF. Means both the given numbers are divisible by 19. Okay, so write down this much and take. No need to do this rough work, only this division you have to solve. Write neatly and take, and then we will solve the further part. Therefore, we can say that the HCF is equals to 19. Yes. So, we will write the given numbers. They are 437 divided by 551 is equals to. Means both of them are divisible by 19. Okay. Now in the rough work we will divide the numbers by 19. So 437 divided by 19. For 19 twos are 38, and when we subtract them, the remainder will be 5, and we will take 7 down. So we get the new number, that is 57, which is divisible by 19, that is 19 threes are 57. So minus 0 and 0. As remainder comes 0, we can say 437 is divided by 19. That is by how much? 23s are. So here we have to write 23. Now the next number, that is 551 divided by 19. 19 2s are 38 minus the answer will be 17. Take this 1 down. So we have 171. 19 9s are 171. If you will subtract, answer will be 0. Yes. Therefore, students, we can say that when we divide 437 by 19, answer is 23. So, here we are going to write 23. And 19, 29s are 551. So, here we will write 29. So, this is the solution for the first question. No need to do this rough work. Just solve this sum neatly. I think up till here you have written. Now just write down this remaining part and complete the solution of question 1. So I have taken one more sum for you all, that is 348 divided by 319 or upon 319 you can see. So the smallest number from both of them I have taken outside, that is 319, and the biggest 348 I have taken inside. Now students, if you will see 319 ones will surely be 319. 319 twos will be double. That means answer will go somewhat 600 and above. Yes. So we want the number in 300s only. So we are going to write 319 ones are 309 fraction. You will get answer 29. After that, the previous number which was outside, you will take it inside, that is 319. So I have taken it. Then when you will multiply certain numbers by 29, you will come to know that 29 multiplied by 11 will give us 319. So 29 11s are 319. After subtraction, remainder will be 0. And as we are getting remainder 0, we can say that 29 is the HCF. Therefore, HCF is equals to 29. Now, we have taken the given numbers. They are 348 upon 319. Both of them we will divide by 29 because their HCF is 29. So, 29, if you will multiply by 12, you will get 348. And here you have learned that 29 11s is 319. So, you will write here 29 11s are 319. So, this was the solution of this question. Write it down. Now, only one sum is remaining. That sum you are going to solve on your own. Let us now begin with sum number 6. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 432 and 72 respectively. That means they have given us LCM and HCF of two numbers. Okay. So LCM they have said first. So whatever number is first, that will be our LCM. Therefore 432 will be our LCM. And HCF. And means 72 will be our HCF because it is given second. So 432 is our LCM and 72 is our HCF of the two numbers. Now we need two numbers. Let us see whether they have given or no. If one of the number is 216. So one number they have given. What is that number? 216. What is the other? So other number we have to find out. Okay. Now we can find the students because they have given us one relation. That is product of two given numbers is equals to HCF multiplied by LCM. Okay. We have learned this. Yes or no? We have learned the relation that when we take two numbers and multiply them, their product is always equal to the product of HCF and LCM. So now I will take one number multiplied by other number. That is equals to HCF and multiplied by LCM. Okay. So here I have written that. Now, one number they have given us. What is that one number? Correct. 216. So now in this step we will substitute the values. So the given one number is 216 multiplied by other number we don't know. So we are writing as it is. Okay. Now is equals to. So is equals to HCF. Now what will be our HCF? Yes, 72 will be our HCF multiplied by 432. Now the next step what we are going to do, see, we have to find other number. Means this 216 we have to take to our right hand side. Don't do multiplication. See what we are going to do. We are going to just carry this 216 other side. So what will remain at our LHS? Yes, only other number will remain. So I will write that other number is equals to 72 multiplied by 432 divided by 216 because we have taken 216 other side. It was multiplied here, other side it will be divided. Okay. So now students, if you will think, then you can see this 432 is a double of 216. Yes. So what we can do in this step? 216, ones are 216 and and 16 twos is 432. So after carrying out these cancellations, what is remaining? Yes, 72 multiplied by 2. That is equals to 144. Therefore, students, we can write here the other number is 134. Okay. So, got the answer? So, the other number is 144 and here we have got the answer to this question. So, now in your CW, write question number 6. Write this question and the solution neatly as I have written. It's very simple solution. Go through it. You will surely understand it. Let us now begin with sum number 7. The product of two-digit number is 765. So here 765 is the product of two numbers and those two numbers are two-digit. Okay. Next, and their HCF is 3. So what is the HCF? HCF is 3. What is their LCM? So we have to find their LCM. So we all know one thing, that is product of two numbers is equals to HCF multiplied by LCM. Yes or no? That means product of HCF and LCM is equals to product of two given numbers. So now I'll just change their place and I'll write here HCF into LCM is equals to product of two numbers. Now, in the next step, what we are going to do, students? We are going to substitute the values. Okay. Now, just tell me, HCF is how much? Yes, HCF is 3. So, I'll write here 3. Multiplied by LCM, we don't know. They have not given us. They have asked us to find. So, we will write LCM. Next, product of two numbers. What is product of two numbers? Product of two numbers is 765. They have given us. Now, we have to find value of LCM and we have multiplied by 3 with it. So, this multiplied by 3, we will take other side. Then it will become, see, LCM is equals to 765 divided by 3. So, LCM remains in LHS and multiplied by 3 go to RHS in division form. Okay. Now, just add this upper digit 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Thus, this number is also divisible by 3. And 3 is also divisible by 3. So, we can write here 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 1 is remaining. We will give it to 16. It becomes 16 now. Then we all know 3 5s are 15. Yes. So, we will write the 3 5s are 15. 1 will go further. So, it will become again 15. That is 3 5s are 15. Therefore, students, we can say LCM is equals to 255. Got the answer? So, this is the solution to the given question. So, write it down neatly in your CW. Let us now begin with question number 8. A trader has 3 bundles of string, 392 meter, 308 meter and 490 meter long. So, here we are having a trader who is having 3 bundles of string and their measurement of 3 bundles is given for us all. Okay. What is the measurement? 392, 308 and 490. What is the greatest length of string that the bundle can be cut up into without any leftover string? So, now we have to cut this bundle of string and in such a way that we have to find the greatest length of string, and after cutting nothing should be left over. So, greatest number means what, students? Yes, we have to find the HCF. So, I have written here for greatest length of string find HCF. So, I have written these 3 numbers They are 392, 308, 490. At units place we have 280. So all these numbers are divisible by 2. So I have taken here 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 is remaining right side to 9. Then 2 nines are 18. Again 1 is remaining right side to 2. It becomes 2 6 are 12. So we have divided. We got the answer 196. Now the next number 2 ones are 2. 1 is remaining right side of 0. It will be 10. 2 fives are 10 and 2 fours are 8. So 2 multiplied by 154 will give us 308. Next 2 twos are 4. 2 fours are 8. 1 is dead. Carry over next number side. It will become 10. 2 fives are 10. So we got 245. So these are the new numbers what we have got. These new numbers are divisible by 7. So 7 twos are 14. 5 is remaining. If we will write here 56 it will become. Then 7 8s are 56. 7 twos are 14. 1 is remaining 14. So 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 3 is remaining right here 35. 7 fives are 35. So the new numbers obtained are 28, 22 and 35, which are not further divisible by one single number. So we have to stop here. We got the HCF, that is equals to 2 into 7 equals to 14. Therefore, greatest length of string is 14 meter. So here we have solved the sum. Write the question and the solution in neat and good handwriting in your sheet. Let us now solve the last lesson of the sum, that is, which two consecutive even numbers have an LCM of 180. Here they have given us LCM which is 180, and this is the LCM of two consecutive even numbers. Means whatever numbers we are having, they are even numbers and they are consecutive. Means they will come one after the other. Means for example 2 and 4. 2 is also even, 4 is even. They come one after the other. Next 4 and 6. 6 and 8. 8 and 10. So these are the pairs of consecutive even numbers. Like this, these two numbers are there whose LCM is 180. So first we are going to write here, that is, the LCM of two consecutive even number is 180. Okay. Then next, we all know the HCF of two consecutive even number. What is that? Yes, it is 2. We have learned. Yes or no? So we are going to write here, the HCF of two consecutive even number is 2. Got it, students? So this is LCM they have given us, and we have learned that HCF of two consecutive even number is 2. Because even numbers always come in two stable, and if they are consecutive, means coming after one another, surely their HCF will be 2. Okay. Now the next thing, that is, now we have learned one more thing, that is, we have learned that product of two given numbers is equal to the product of HCF and LCM. Yes or no? We have HCF, we have LCM. Only the thing what we don't have, that is the two numbers. So what we have learned one more thing, that is the product of two numbers is equals to HCF multiplied by LCM. So I have written here. Now product of two numbers we don't know, but HCF we know and LCM we know. So we are going to substitute its value, that is 2 into 180. 2 is our HCF, 180 is our LCM. If you will multiply both of them, then the answer will be 360. 18 twos are 36 and 0. Now by the prime factor method, students, we are going to find out the prime factors of 360. So the first prime factor is 2, 180s are 360. Many times I have taught you, so now I will explain you directly. Next, again 2 stable, 2 90s are 180. 2 45s are 90. 3 15s are 45. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So whatever numbers we have got here, those are the factors of 360. Yes or no? So we'll write down and take factors of 360 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So we have written down the factors of 360. Now we are going to select from this. See here 6 factors we have got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From this 3 and 3 we are going to separate. Out of this we will select such 3 numbers which will give even number as the answer. Now see here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. One is even, other is odd. So we don't want that odd number because we want 2 consecutive even number. Then see 2 into 2, 4. 4 3s are 12. Next 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. Means 12 and 30 we are getting. But 12 and 30 is answer. 12 and 30 are not consecutive. So we can't take them. Then what shall we do here? See once again. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. Yes. Now see here 2 2s are 4. 4. So see here 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. Now this middle 3 factors are remaining. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. So now we got 20 and 18. Both are even numbers and difference between them is 2. Means are they consecutive? Yes. So students, we can write here 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 in one bracket and 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 in other bracket, which will give us 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Multiply by 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Their both multiplication will give us 360 and both are even numbers and they are consecutive even numbers. Okay. So our last answer will be, therefore the required 2 consecutive even numbers are 18 and 20. I hope you have understood the sum. Write it down neatly. And here we have finished our lesson HCF and LCM. Go through the sums, solve them again and again, practice them. It will be surely easy for you all. Okay. So here we will stop and here we have finished our lesson HCF and LCM.